Alright guys, I am on my way to meet up with the travel agent that I used to process my 13A visa. Today is Tuesday. Heading down to San Fernando. Gotta go down to the N.B.I office down there and do paperwork, fingerprints, photo ID, all that fun stuff. Should be in and out. Like I said, I use a travel agent because they seem to be on the ball when it comes to this. I used them last year and everything got done, you know, no problem, no hassle, nothing. Like I said, you could probably do it yourself, but if you make one mistake, it can hold the process up. And right now I have a 3-month window period to get everything done. I know with the fingerprint and waiting for the N.B.I clearance, it's going to take about, they told me, like 3 to 4 weeks for that to clear. Then after that, we'll do the process and paperwork, make the appointment, go down to Manila to the what is it? I can't even think straight. It's been a long night. Didn't sleep too well. Go down to the Bureau of Immigration and do that part of it, the interview and everything. So anyways, that's what's going on today. I'm going to try to do some filming. I don't know how much filming I'm going to be able to do or allowed to do up at the N.B.I, but I'm going to give it a shot. So. Alright guys, this is the travel agent I use, Amiga Travel. They're located inside the Horizon Frontier Hotel. You walk through the lobby here and they're right inside here. Like I said, they do an excellent job. They're right down the road from the Petron. They do an excellent job. They do everything. They do, there it is, tourist visa extensions, ARCI car renewals, 13A spousal visas, G9 working visas, dual citizenship and recognition visas, visa update. Plus they also do, you know, they book trips wherever you want to go in the Philippines here. They book airline tickets. They actually even book airline tickets, you know, out of the country if you want to travel different places. I pulled up here and there was an accident that happened. This van here and a motorcycle were involved, and they got the police here and everything, and it looks like nobody got hurt. But yeah, they got them here. They got the police here. They're taking photos. They're doing their investigation. So yeah, an interesting morning, an action-packed morning. So anyways, let's head on in here. I'll film in here. I'll walk in here. But yeah, they're in the lobby here. It's kind of an old, outdated hotel.
Those are both political decisions.
But yeah, they're located right in here. Right to the right here. Amiga Travel. Right there on the left-hand side. Alright, so I guess it looks like they're wrapping up this police investigation. There goes the gray van that got hit. Kid over on the motorcycle. I think he was involved in it. One thing here in the Philippines, if you're involved in an accident like this, you know, it's best not to move anything. Well, you're not supposed to move anything. You're supposed to leave everything right there as it happened. Yeah, they're wrapping it up. Leave everything there as it happened. The police come, they do photographs, they take, I guess, statements and everything, figure out who made the error. But yeah, you leave it there. Even if you can drive your car off to the side of the road, they want you to leave it there so the police can do their investigations and determine what happened. From the way it looked like it was 2 Filipinos involved. Like I said, nobody got seriously hurt, so that's a good thing. Alright guys, I just got done inside the N.B.I there, or yeah, the N.B.I. Can't film in there, but you know what? I was surprised it was empty. I mean, last time I was down here, it was packed, and half the time when you go to any type of government agency here, the places are packed. I was surprised, but very simple, in and out. You know, paperwork, name, address, height, weight, nationality, passport ID, real simple. Got a photo ID. They did an electronic fingerprinting, and then they also did a black fingerprinting. But yeah, in and out. Anyways, let me show you around here. Pampanga Capital. Some nice buildings here. Yeah, this is the Pampanga capital here. I don't know what all is down here. City Hall, I don't know what all is in here. Pampanga capital area. It's just nice here. Oh, there's my driver. That's the vehicle that I got driven down in, but I think he's ready to go. I'm gonna puff on my little vape here before I get in the car. Yeah, I'm gonna take a little stroll down here and show you guys this here. Pampanga Capitol building. I don't know, back in the United States we would have called this the county seat. I think Louisa told me what they call it here, but that's what we call it back in the States, the county seat. Whenever you have anything you need to take care of, you got to come to the county seat. Pampanga Capitol. This is a nice big building here. Yeah, this is empty. Last time I was here last year at this time, it was packed. There was a ton of people here. Couldn't even park. That's how many people there were here. This is nice. Little garden area here. Little path. Little monument here. It says Pinatubo Memorial. Now the driver that brought me down today and driving me around, he was here when Pinatubo erupted, and he actually said he worked on base at the time. Province Governor of Pampanga, Pinatubo eruption. This memorial is dedicated to the men and women, young and old, poor and rich, known and unknown, who gave their parts and portions selflessly to the collective efforts. You can read it. Yeah, nice little park here. Pampanga All General Maximo Heisen. Maximo H. Heisen. That's who the memorial is. Another memorial down here. Check this one out quick. Gee, a nice day today. Sun's out, but it's not hot, not humid. We've got a nice little breeze. Sitting on like a chair. Jose Abad Santos. And of course, I can't read that. Pretty cool little statue. Memorial. Yeah, I was in utter surprise. Like I said, the N.B.I was empty. I think there might have been 6 people sitting in there. There was no queue. There was no line. Unbelievable. It's a good thing, though. EIR. really nice too. Hello. It's kept really clean too here. Alright, let me get with my driver here so we can get back. But yeah, I hope you guys like this park. It's nice here. Alright, I'm back at the Sorry store now. This is the time of the year, donation time. We actually had a girl come here yesterday. She was wearing these little bunny ears and stuff, and she was asking for donations for the school. From what Louisa was telling me, the schools at the end of the year, if you're graduating, they'll spend what, 3 days, you said, Lut?
Yeah.
They'll spend like 3 days at a place, and you know, the graduating class, and they all hang out, and they eat. They have special speakers that come in and talk. And they got to provide like food for the special speakers, and you know, it's just for their, you know, like their last get together as a senior class. Now I know her brother, he's graduating from college this year. He's graduating as a marine biologist, and they're doing the same thing down there. So you know, we did send some money down there to help him out, and for 3 days his class just gets together and they hang out for 3 days. And I guess it's sort of like back in the States when the class is the senior, I don't know if they do it now, but when we were growing up, the senior class would go on like class trips and different places and hang out. But we just had a woman come by, and she was looking for donations for the deaf class, and you know, it's local here, and you know, these schools are local, so we want to help give back to the community. So, but yeah, this is the time of the year where the kids are coming around and asking for donations for the school. So it's donation time. There is Liberty. I'm going to try to get her on film every day so you guys can see her. And how big she is getting. She just woke up. Now she's looking to play. But she's getting big. She's doing good. She likes hanging out here and looking outside and checking out other cats walking by and people walking by. And it's funny because customers will come up and she'll start squatting at their feet and their toes. But yes, there is Miss Liberty. So she's getting ready to pounce on something. And the store seems to be getting more and more product in it. Today Lut went down to Jumbo Genera, her favorite place, and came back. And how many boxes did you have, Lut?
5.
She had 5 boxes, and we restocked everything. But she is getting more things, getting things that people have been asking for. You know, like I said, if somebody asks for something one time and nobody ever asks, we don't usually get it. But if multiple people keep asking, we get it. So she grabbed some new product. She bought some more Imperador. I wiped this out of the Imperador the other day, which is a good thing. But yeah, the shelves just keep on growing. We keep on getting more product. Business is doing good. She's actually starting to hang things off the front now. Before that was all open. And of course she restocked this shelf. This shelf here was pretty much bare, like within less than a week's time. Candy, restocked up on all the candy. Kids keep coming and buying candy, and people, when they, you know, they'll buy like a cigarette or something, and then they'll grab some candy with their cigarette. But yeah, the store keeps getting bigger and bigger. Before you know it, we'll be looking for a bigger store, right, Lut?
Yeah. Oh.
You'll be looking for a grocery store.
Yeah, hopefully.
Hey, Lut, everybody loved the video yesterday.
What, the balut challenge?
The balut challenge, yes.
Oh, I won't gonna do it.
Huh?
I won't gonna do it.
No, one and done. I was kidding when I said about the camera not working. She said, no, one and done. But now they want us to do, Darien. They want us to do Darien.
Oh,
Now
it's
you
not a
eat
challenge
Darien.
for me
Yeah,
because
it's
I
not.
eat durian.
Yeah, let's eat in Darien.
It smells stink, but when you taste it, it's good.
What's it saying? Smells like,
It smells like shit.
but tastes like heaven. Yeah. So now I'm gonna have to give it a shot. I myself have never had it, so I'm definitely gonna have to give it a shot. So that will be the next challenge.
Maybe one day we can find somewhere like snake. Because I never been try it.
I would try snake.
And the thing is, there's one thing I would like to try, but I don't think I would love to do it.
What?
Never.
What?
You know that worms?
Oh, them worms.
Worms, the
Yeah,
white
yeah.
one.
What are they? They come out of a log.
Yeah, it's came from the old tree or something. It's in the river.
I would try it.
No,
No,
I won't gonna try it.
I would
Because
give it a
one
shot.
thing I can't stand like to look. Because the look, it drives my brain crazy. It's like, you know how they have that big,
Yeah, yeah,
long.
yeah.
And it comes to like worm, I can't stand
What
it.
about alligator?
Uh,
I would try. I don't know if I ever tried
Yeah,
that.
but I don't know. I don't know.
I would give it a shot.
Because every single time you say, oh, it's just only your imagination. Yeah, it is for some other people, but how about me? You know, every single time you do, you already circle to my mind that that's a snake and that's a dog.
Yeah.
I can't eat it.
All right. Well, guys, I'm going to wrap this one up. Nothing really going on. Tomorrow we're going to have the store closed. I'm not going to do a live show because we won't be here. Maybe I'll shoot for Thursday. That would probably be a better day because, like I said, we won't be here. Lut's going to go down to the mall to get her passport. She's got an appointment down there, so we'll be down there. Plus, I got to check a few things out down there. But yeah, there won't be a live show tomorrow. I'll shoot for Thursday, 9 o'clock. So, yep, I'm going to wrap this one up. And tomorrow's another day. The journey continues, and we'll see you tomorrow.